who will be the captain this afternoon. Nuruddin Abdullahi, Manuel Mante, Ebenezer Nkrumah, Mubarak Yusuf, Prosper Boachi Owusu, Kingsley Bright, who has scored 1 hat-trick this season, Emmanuel Owusu, Prince Owusu, Kelvin Nkrumah, Abdul Latif Adari is going to be the referee for this game this afternoon. So that is the lineup for the away side you have in your shot. A missing piece of puzzle this afternoon is going to be Kamaradin Mahmoud, who is with the Black Stars in the United Kingdom for the Unity Cup. But they still have a very formidable team, Medeama, to compete this afternoon. Lots of stars on the bench. Derek Fojo, Bernardino Osatete, Adams Abdul Jabal, Godfred Aban, Kobina Amwan, Nana Kofi Babel, God knows Dapasu, David Boyce Frempong, and Yao Ose. Medeama have a very thick bench which they could make any substitutions at any point to have an impact on the game. Welcome one and all to the Kumasi Baba Nyara Sports Stadium for the match day 33 of the Ghana Premier League. I am Robert Konye, commentator this afternoon, ably backed by Daniel Tangana.
Medeama with a lot of key players on the bench. They are winless in their last 5 away games. But one thing Kotoko must take notice that they've scored 10 in their last 5 games in the Ghana Premier League. But this is Kotoko, who are yet to lose a game, especially their last 5
games against Medeama Sporting Club at home this afternoon. This, of course, will be the last time Asante Kotoko will play at home. Coach Abdul Karim Zito made just a few changes in the team that played against Bibiani Gold Stars in Bibiani. Mohamed Kamara started in post, and Henry Kwame Anzu captains the team this afternoon in the absence of Justice Blade, who is sidelined due to yellow cards. Michael Chedramana, Elvis Chebafo, Patrick Asiedu, and also Albert Amoa, Babaya, Joseph Pablo, Lord Amoa, Andrew Sinti Menu, and Peter Amidu Akwa, who came on in Bibiani to impress so well. So this afternoon, he has got them out to start. Justice Blade, and also Sama O'Neill and Sakarauda. They will all be missing this game due to the accumulation of yellow cards. On the part of the away team, Coach Ibrahim Tanko started Felix Chain post. The man in your shot. He went with Fatau Suleimana. He assisted the first. He has scored the second. What a day for Manuel Mande. And the men in yellow have resort parity. Oh, Kotoko, are they bottling this? You can see the guys from Rose Park cheering their seniors on. Brilliant play. Brilliant header. Instinctive header. You just cannot help but be seduced by the brilliance. 2-1 Kotoko and 2 for Albert Amoa.
And that is what winners do. After losing the first game, a ball from Lord Amoa, and look at how he dominated just in between 2 defenders of Medeama, and that is brilliant. Lord Amoa with that incisive cross, and Albert dominated very well. We've been talking about his aerial durability, and this is a clear example of a player without that height against the likes of Nuruddin by his ability to control the air. That is brilliant. Felix J could not offer that magical save to this ball. Interesting. Just interesting from Albert Amoa.
He keeps scoring. And the results just trying to calm the nerves. And Coach Zito having words with his midfielders.
Watch it closely. That pass from Babaya and he was brought down. And the referee was so close to the angle. Never an offside because he timed his runs very well.
That check it closely once again. So Medeama protesting just because he touched the ball. Abdul Latif Adari saying it should be a penalty.
After touching the ball back, you impeded the attacking player's opportunity.
That is so close. And Albert Amoa, he has the chance to make it 10 in the season for himself. And Abdul Latif Adari said you must stay behind the area until he kicks.
Against
It's not stopping him. Albert Amoa, performance of the season. He has gone and he has plunged and plummeted once again. You just cannot out him. Albert Amoa, 12 goals, 3 this afternoon. What a game he's had.
that kick from Emmanuel Nchua's pinpoint, and you just cannot take away the aerial presence of Albert Amoa. And this season, two players have scored hat-trick. Talk about Stena Mankuna, talk about Kinsley Bryan. You add Albert Amoa to that list, and that is incredible. He is just scoring for fun. And this afternoon, you have to give it to him.
What a player he is. It was a good delivery from Emmanuel Nchi. Oh boy, you better believe it. Brilliant, brilliant header.
You check the movement, and he was watching the ball just within the crowd of the opponent box, and his ability to give that dominance.
His 10th goal of the season. And Albert Amoa, just when they needed him the most, he has risen, composure, calmness, and he has put it at the back of the net. His 10th goal, he will be hoping to add more to Italy.
Interesting from Albert Amoa. Last season for Great Olympics, in 17 games, he scored only 5. But this time, in his 24th game, he registered a 10th goal and still counting. So I think big improvement for Albert Amoa. And it's a plus to get your career high in a big club like Kotoko. But
it's not stopping him. Albert Amoa, performance of the season. He has gone and he has plunged and plummeted once again. You just cannot out him. Albert Amoa, 12 goals, 3 this afternoon. What a game he's had.
That kick from Emmanuel Nchua's pinpoint, and you just cannot take away the aerial presence of Albert Amoa. And this season, two players have scored hat-trick. Talk about Stena Mankuna, talk about Kinsley Bryan. You add Albert Amoa to that list, and that is incredible. He is just scoring for fun. And this afternoon, you have to give it to him.
What a player he is. It was a good delivery from Emmanuel Nchi. Oh boy, you better believe it. Brilliant, brilliant header.
You check the movement, and he was watching the ball just within the crowd of the opponent box, and his ability to give that dominance.
He assisted the first, he has scored the second. What a day for Manuel Mande. And the men in yellow have result parity. Oh, Kotoko, are they bottling this? You can see the guys from Rose Park cheering their seniors on. Brilliant play from Mante, and the finish was quite sumptuous.
Manuel Mante, experience at the highest level, to score in his 21st game of the season is a plus. Don't forget he's playing his 3rd season, and he's been a key figure in midfield and to assist the first and score the second. It's a plus. Kotoko shoot back up. The last game they drew at home was against Bechem United. It was 1-1. The main team. And against Karela United, their last away game, he was on his score sheet.
89 minutes. Seconds to hit the 90. Bernardino. Wherever you are as a Kotoko fan, you felt this.
Of course, it's a game that you can never predict the next action in a split second. Though Kotoko are leading bets, a lot of butterflies in your belly because you cannot overreact because anything can happen in every split seconds of this moment.
5 minutes of additional time. Can Medeama save themselves? Will Kotoko go up to win this game just as they are doing now? It's been a day for Albert Amoa. For Joe, gets Boyson. Good touch. Justice Boyson. Up there for Japasu. And Kotoko clears the lines.
That's Boyson for you. He is very tricky. Very direct when he's in the ball against the fullbacks. One man cannot handle him. Derek Forjo. A good cross. Joseph Haba was there to rescue. Now Kotoko on the move. Peter Amidu Akwa. Still Kotoko. Perfect recovery from Sif Mubarak.